Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Dave's Kitchen. I know it's been a while since I filmed some videos. Man, you got COVID, you got work. I work a lot of hours now, okay, which is a good thing, okay, because some people are not working. But anyway, besides that, what do I got for you today? I've got an amazing recipe. Some of the fine dining restaurants, there's one in Irvine, which is near our house, called Texas Brazil, serves it, and it's called Burgundy Mushrooms, okay, these things. And it's absolutely amazing. Well, I decided to copycat it, and my wife said it's even better. Sit back, relax, I'm gonna show you how to make burgundy mushrooms. So what are some of the things you need? Well, of course you need these things, mushrooms, all right? We're gonna go ahead and take off the stems on these. Now, you can either save the stems if you want for like a vegetable stock, if you got like some leftover carrots, some leftover celeries, and some onions, and now you got the vegetable, or the mushroom stems that you can make a vegetable stock. Me, I'm just gonna throw them away because, you know, I got no need for them. All right, that's the first part. Next, you need some Worcestershire sauce. Doesn't matter what brand. You need some beef bouillons. This says brown gravy. It's not. Trust me, guys. This is actually a mix that I make of my own spices. It's basically equal parts of some ground up peppercorns. It's also equal parts of some garlic powder and some onion powder. And pretty much that's how you make your own little spice blend there, okay? We got the peppercorns, okay? We've also got some garlic and a big, huge bottle of the cheapest burgundy wine that you can find. Trust me, it doesn't matter, okay? And then I got 1 can of some chicken broth. All right, we're gonna put this together. Now I'm finishing up here on the mushrooms. Like I said, removing the stem. One of the things I forgot to mention to you guys is you also need 1 stick of butter. If you have salted butter, it's fine. Preferably the unsalted butter, but whatever you have is fine. Okay, do not use margarine. It needs to be real butter. Okay guys, so over here I took the butter, I melted it. I also add a little bit of hot water from my coffee maker. You can add, you know, hot water from a pot or something. You mix it in here. I also added 2 of those beef bouillon. So mix it really good. Now we're gonna add some Worcestershire sauce. And basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna add 3 of these shot glasses of Worcestershire sauce. And then you're gonna mix that really well. All right. After I'm done mixing this, what I want to do now is go over to my Instapot, and I'm going to go ahead and put that Instapot onto the saute mode. I'm going to come over here and hit saute. The mushrooms are in here. We're going to let that simmer up a little bit, and we're going to pour this over the mushrooms. In a little bit, you're going to see this thing steaming up. Alright, now while it's doing that, that's when we can open the can of chicken broth and get the rest in here. Okay, either off to the side, open a can of chicken broth, get it ready, but do not pour it in until the Instapot starts to steam. Now you'll see that the mushrooms are starting to steam a little bit. And what you're going to do is go in here and stir that up. Because remember, we have the Instapot on the saute. So we want these mushrooms to be coated really good with that Worcestershire butter and the beef bouillon. So get them really coated. Now after they're really coated, that's when we start putting it all together. At this point, I'm going to throw in 3 of these big, huge heaping of garlic. And that's because we love garlic in this house. Alright, you got 3 of these in here. There we go. And we're going to mix it all up. Toss it in here. Get those mushrooms nice and coated with the garlic. That smells amazing. Yum. Next, I'm going to add the can of chicken broth. Now, you'll notice mine's low sodium here. Just going to dump that in there. And again, give it a nice, good stir. Now we're going to add the 4 cups of Burgundy. All right. And also give that a stir. Now I'm going to add 1 shot glass of my special spice blend. Now remember, all that says it's equal parts of black pepper, white pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. Equal parts, and then I grinded them up and made this beautiful spice blend. And last, we're going to add the peppercorns, about a shot glass. Now, these are whole peppercorns. I don't want to add these. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and grind these up to a coarse setting. And here it is when I grinded it up on a coarse setting. Okay. Now we're going to mix that all up. Okay, so after I was done mixing this up, I tasted the broth and I decided to double the Worcestershire sauce. So just remember to double it. Give it a good stir. Now after everything is all in and you stirred it all up, what you're going to do is put the lid on and you're going to set your Instapot to the pressure cook mode, my bad. And you're going to do that for about 4 hours. Then after that, you're going to put it on slow cook mode overnight. And when you come back the next day, this is going to be absolutely amazing. Okay guys, so it's been overnight, so it's about 24 hours. We're going to check that Instapot. Now remember, after the 4 hours of pressure cook, you want to put it on slow cook and let it simmer overnight. Let's take a look at this. So we're going to go ahead and open up the pot. Move the lid off to the side and give it a good stir. Now that stuff smells amazing. And look how dark those mushrooms are. That smells steamy. And that's all you gotta do, guys. That's really it. Simple, easy, and it's an appetizer, or in my case, for my wife, it's a meal on its own. Well, there you go. I hope you enjoy it. Like, subscribe, comment below. Crazy Dave, I'm out.